Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today inshallah we will discuss the 6th grade English for Palestine students book. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurrab and our unit's title is A Visit to the Dead Sea. In this unit inshallah we will discuss lots of things related to desert animals, what people do in the Dead Sea, what can we see near the Dead Sea. All these questions you have to answer them after you learn this unit. Please open your box, page 4. Let's discuss the first part of period 1 today inshallah. This is our page. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 activities. Today, inshallah, we will discuss just the first activity, which is related to vocabulary. And in the next video, inshallah, we will discuss the rest of the page. Let's go. These are our words. We have 14 words here. We will listen and follow, and we will listen and repeat. Listen and follow, please.
Anywhere. Below sea level. Desert. Ever. Gazelle. Jerboa. Man. Mud. Oasis. Palm tree. Rock. Salty. Skin. Spring.
Listen again, listen and repeat.
Anywhere.
Anywhere
Below sea level.
below sea level.
Desert.
Desert.
Ever.
Ever.
Gazelle.
Gazelle.
Jerboa.
Boa.
Man.
Man.
Mud.
Mud.
Oasis.
Oasis.
Palm tree.
Palm tree.
Rock.
Rock.
Salty.
Salty.
Skin.
Skin.
Spring.
And spring. Now let's discuss each vocabulary alone and give an example, see what does it mean in English. And let's start with the first one. What do you think? In or to any place. What is this word? In or to any place. Excellent. It's anywhere. Anywhere. It's an adverb. It means in or to any place. Can you put this in a sentence? Let's see the example here. Have you ever been anywhere like this? Very good. Let's move to the next one. 416 minus 416. Actually, the lowest place on earth. Below sea level. Excellent. Below sea level. Let's put it in a sentence. The Dead Sea is 400 meters below sea level. Very good. The next one. An area often covered with sand or rocks. What do you think? What is this area which often covered with sand or rocks? Very good. Desert. Desert. Can you put it in a sentence? Let's see. Camels live in deserts. Very good. Let's see the next one. Eva, very good. See the example here. Have you ever seen a desert animal? Have you ever seen a desert animal? So we use this expression or this phrase when we want to ask something. Have you ever seen a desert animal in your whole life? Have you ever seen a desert animal? Have you ever done something? Ever. Okay, let's see the next one. An African or Asian animal that moves quickly and lightly. What do you think? Good. Gazelle. 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 There are lots of gazelles near the Dead Sea. The example. Can you think of another one? A small desert animal. What do you think? A small desert animal. It's similar to the mouse, I think, but it has a long tail and bigger ears. It's Jiboa. Very good. Jiboa. Jiboa. See the example. I have seen a Jiboa near that rock. Next, easy. Man. Man. And the opposite is woman. Look at that man. He's very smart. Think of another example, please. What about this one? Sand that has been mixed with water. Sand and water. It becomes, what do you think? It becomes mud. Mud. My car is stuck in the mud. My car is stuck in the mud. So mud means sand that has been mixed with water. Place in a desert where there is water and plants. It's very nice. What is this place? What do we call it? It's oasis. Oasis. Let's put it in a sentence. Have you ever seen an oasis? Have you ever seen an oasis? Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. Very good. Guess the word. A tree has a tall, straight trunk and grows in warm regions. What do you think? Tall, straight trunk, grows in warm regions. It's palm tree. Excellent. Palm tree. Let's put it in a sentence. You can see palm trees near an oasis. You can see palm trees near an oasis. Very good. Let's see the next one. Dry, solid part of the Earth's surface. What do you think? Easy. Dry, solid part of the Earth's surface. It's rock. Rock. Let's see the example here. Plants can grow between rocks. Plants can grow between rocks. Common white thing found in sea water used specially to add flavor to food. What do you think? Very good. It's salt, and the adjective is salty. Salt, salty. Salty water, salty food. Very good. Let's see the example. Ben, don't add lots of salt. Let's see the next one. The natural outer layer that covers a person, animal, fruit, etc. What do you think? What do we call this outer layer on our bodies? It's a skin. Very good. Skin. Let's see the example here. Have you ever put mud on your skin? Have you ever put mud in your skin? This one. A place where water naturally flows out from the ground. What do you think? It's spring. Very good. Spring. Spring. Palm trees grow in an oasis because water comes from a spring. Very good. Palm trees grow in an oasis because water comes from a spring. Now, let's guess the words. What do you think? The first one. Think, think, think. Anywhere. Very good. Below sea level. Excellent. The desert. Eva. Very good. Ga. Gazelle. J. Jiboa. Ma. Man. You can pause the video, try to think and guess the words. Then turn the video again and check if your answers are correct. Mud, oasis, palm tree, rock, salty, skin, spring. Very good. These were our words in this unit. You have to memorize them, try to dictate them, and write them in your notebook, please. Now complete. We'll answer this question orally, and you have to write it in your exercise book and answer it, and then let your teacher check the, your answers. Okay, complete. First of all, we have to read the words in the box. Then we have to fill the gaps correctly. Gazelles, anywhere, palm trees, jiboas, rocks, and man. I'll do the first one with you, and you have to do the rest. Please, after the first one, pause the video, answer them, and then check your answers. Space grow in an oasis. What do you think? Palm trees grow in an oasis. Now pause the video, please. Okay, number 2. A space was floating in the Dead Sea. A man was floating in the Dead Sea. Very good. 3. Space and space are desert animals. Gazelles and jiboas are desert animals. Very good. 4. Plants can grow between in the desert. Plants can grow between rocks in the desert. Very good. And the last one. Have you ever seen like this? Have you ever seen anywhere like this? Have you ever seen anywhere like this? Thank you for attending. This was our lesson. See you inshallah in the next video. This is Mr. Abdullah Shabab. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.